Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can stabilize a shaky video using AI in Filmora. Now as a demonstration, I'm going to be using this video that I got from YouTube. So basically this is a POV of someone that is cycling in a mountain using a mountain bicycle, and he claims to not use a stabilizer, and it is definitely very shaky. So with AI we can make this video, at least the movement of this video, to be a little smoother. Now I'm going to just show you the first 5 seconds because I don't want to waste your time. So let's clip the video to just 5 seconds, and then I'm going to duplicate this clip so we can compare the before and then after applying the stabilization effect. Now this is the original and this is the video that I'm going to stabilize. Now what you need to do is you have to make sure that you're running Filmora 14 or 13. I'm not too sure if this feature is available in Filmora 12 or 11, but as far as I know, this should be available in Filmora 13 and 14, or maybe above if you somehow watching the video years down the line. Anyway, what you need to do is you have to double click on the clip that you want to modify, and it will open this menu on the right side of the screen, and then you have to go to video and then navigate to AI tools. So after that you want to search for stabilization. This is the menu that you have to enable, and what's going to happen is it's going to process your video. So right now it's processing the video, and this is actually taking a lot of time than necessary because I found that it is using the CPU instead of using GPU. So CPU is not very efficient for this kind of task, and that's very unfortunate. But I do hope that in the future Filmora will update this feature and will utilize GPU instead of CPU so we can get the result much faster. And also I highly recommend you to not do anything. Do not edit the video, do not even play the video during this process. If you do that, it will stop and it will start all over again. And this is something that I have to learn the hard way when I'm working on a very long video. But even for this short video, you can see that it takes a lot of time just to finish. So with the magic of editing, I'm going to fast forward to 100%. Okay, the stabilization has been applied to this clip. Now we are going to play the original clip and then we can compare it later with the result of stabilization. So far so good. And this is the stabilized version. It might be difficult to tell if you're watching this video, but I actually have checked it multiple times and it is indeed a bit smoother than the original video. The original video was very shaky, and if you actually compare just the first few seconds of the video, there are a lot of movements. While the stabilized video, you'll see that it's a lot smoother. It's not as much as the original clip. And also you can change the level of smoothness. You can make it weak, normal, or strong. If you are not happy with the result, you can always go to the strong mode, but of course it's going to take quite some time to process the clip all over again. But you know, the process is pretty much simple, and you don't have to do anything when it happened. So yeah, that's how you can stabilize a shaky video using AI in Filmora. If you found this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider supporting this channel by subscribing to this channel. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video. Take care.